Right, welcome back. If you're new here, my name's Mark, and this is Hitman's Bonsai Journey. Right, today I'm going to repot this ficus. It's got some really gnarly roots here. It's got a wound there. I would have liked a rock to put there to hide it, but I haven't got one today, so we're going to repot it into this pot. So let's get started. Let's give it a squash. Lift it out of here. And tease these roots out. Oh, there's some nice ones in there. Massive one there, look. That's it. That's come out nice and easy. See the roots there? Massive, aren't they? I wonder if I could bring it up a bit. Right, I'm going to put that over there. But I might use some of that. Seems it's loving it in there. I'm going to put that in there. I think that fits lovely. Have a look at that. Definitely think that's going to be the front. So let's put you over there for a minute. Open this up. It's only a little bit of lava rock. It's helped with the drainage on the bottom. Just the lower of that. Wait a second. Let's put that back in. Let's brought it up a bit. It's going to stand there by itself anyway, isn't it? I'll put some of this in. Some macadamia in there. Well, I say it's going to stay in there. Stay. I need to get a thing so I don't have to scrape all this out with my hands. I think that's enough there a minute. Let's poke it in. Just do this so there's no air pockets in there. Get it all underneath. There we go. here. I'll reuse some of this. Press it in. Them old roots look flipping gnarly, don't they? Look lovely. It's a nice coloured pot as well. Yeah, I'll fix my table. It now spins a bit. I think that looks good. Let's give it a poke. Well, that's a quick one today. I was going to go live with it, but the other phone never wasn't charged up, so I couldn't do it. I think that's it. That's my ficus with massive roots. There we go. Chuck a bit of this on and make it a little bit tidier as well. So it looks like the others. Yeah, that looks good. Love it. Oh no, that looks better. That looks loads better now. Yeah, that looks good. I like that. Take that pot out of the way, haven't it? There we go. That's going to be the front. And these little things that are grown down here are called aerial roots. So, anyway, that's it for today. I know it's a short video, but like, subscribe, give a thumbs up, and if you've got any comments or tips or tricks, just put them in the comment section, I'll read them. Right, so anyway, that'll do. Okay, bye.